Hello everyone. Next topic is superconductivity. What is meant by superconductivity? Superconductivity is a phenomena observed in several metals and ceramic materials when these materials are cooled to temperature ranging from near a absolute 0 degree Kelvin or 273 degrees Celsius to liquid nitrogen temperature 77 degree Kelvin to 196 degree Celsius. Their electrical resistance jumps down to 0. It was discovered by Heike Kamerlingh on in 1911. This is the introduction. What are superconductors? Superconductors means what? Superconductors are the material having almost zero resistivity and behave a diamagnetic below the superconducting transiting temperature. Superconductivity is the flow of electric current without resistance in certain metals, alloys, and ceramic temperature near absolute 0, and in some cases at temperature hundreds of degrees above absolute 0 equals to minus 273 degree Kelvin. Is 1911 the discovery of superconductivity. The Kamerlingh owns in 1911 during first law of temperature measurement to liquefy helium is zero resistance. The temperature is the resistance. The resistance decrease and temperature here increase. The temperature again here decrease and resistance again increase. In 1912 he found that the resistive state is restored in magnetic field or high transport current. Here occurrence of superconducting elements. Here tin 3.72, mercury is 4.15, the lead is 7.19 the degree Celsius or Kelvin. Superconducting components is niobium, titanium, tin, and niobium tin is 18.1. This is the superconducting elements. This is the transition temperatures in degree Kelvin, critical magnetic fields at absolute 0. Here this is a transition temperature Kelvin and critical field are generally low. This is a niobium is a critical temperature 9 Kelvin and the C is 0.2. Here metals with the high conductive are not superconductor. Here the CrMnFeCO(Ni) is the iron, the critical temperature 1 Kelvin at 20 GPa. Here lithium. General properties of superconductors. Here what is the critical temperature? Here what is meant by here critical temperature, so Tc. What is meant by critical temperature? Critical temperature at which electrical resistance is 0 is called the critical temperature. The critical temperature, the cooling of material is achieved using liquid nitrogen, or critical temperature is known to be inversely proportional to square root of the atomic mass. The electrical resistance in metals arise due to electrons moving through the metal which are scattered due to deviations from transitional symmetry. These are product thereby impurities giving rise to a temperature independent contributions to resistance or by a variation of lattice in the metal. So what is the copper pairs? In the copper pairs, here in a conventional semiconductors, it consists of bound pair of electrons known as copper pairs. The pairing of caused by attractive force between electrons from the exchange of photons. The sorry, phonons is the acoustic are analogous to photons in electromagnetic. Is electromagnetic, the energy of photon is usually less than zero point 0.1 electrovolt, the electron volt, and thus in one or two orders in magnitude less than that of photon. This is a phonon. What is the phonon? The phonon, an electron in the lattice, can interact with another electron by exchanging acoustic quanta is called as the phonon. The phonon is a phenomena. If the phonon is the electrons goes to higher level to lower level. Due to the quantum mechanism, the energy spectrum of this copper pair find the possesses an energy gap, meaning there is a minimum amount of energy. The change in the energy, the delta E, that must be supplied in the order to execute the fluid. Therefore, if change in temperature, change in energy is large than the thermal energy of the lattice given the where kt is the K is the Boltzmann constant here, and T is the temperature. The fluid will be scattered by the lattice. The copper pair fluid, thus superfluid magnetism can flow without energy dissipation. This is the semiconductor. Okay, what is the next is a superconductor. The what is the superconductor? A superconductor electrons pair are constantly forming, breaking and reforming, but the overall effect of that electron flow with a little or no resistance. So they can carry large amount of electrical current flow along periods of times without losing energy as the ohmic heat. The general properties of superconductor here, one by one is electrical resistance is a vertically zero electrical resistance. Then effect of impurities. Here effect of impurities, when impurities are added to superconducting elements, the superconductivity is not lost but the critical temperature is lowered. And the effect of pressure and stresses, the critical certain materials exhibit superconductivity on increasing the pressure in the superconductor. The increase in the stress result in the increase of the critical temperature value. Then next is the Missler effect. The Missler effect is complete explosion of all magnetic field by a superconducting material is called as the Meissner effect. The Meissner effect is the given temperature is greater than critical temperature, and here temperature is less than is critical temperature. The normal state, it is normal state, the temperature is greater than critical temperature, and a superconducting state is a temperature less than critical temperature. Critical temperature is less than temperature. The Meissner effect is a distinct characteristics of superconducting from normal perfect conductors. The in addition, this effect is exhibited by when the applied effect is less than the critical field. The important factors define the superconducting state. There are three superconducting tests, important part: critical temperature, critical field, and critical current density. Each these parameter is very dependent on other two properties present. Here the critical current density into temperature, and here critical temperature, and then the density Here critical density, current density, the electrical resistivity versus temperature plot, superconductor and a normal melt. This is the superconductor graph and is the normal melt. This is the temperature versus electrical resistivity form. Figure 16, the electrical resistivity is normal metal decreases steadily as the temperature is decreased, and here reaches a low value of 0 degree Kelvin is called a residual resistivity. Then zero electrical resistance. What is mean by zero electrical resistance? Zero electrical resistance, the phenomena of exhibiting zero electrical resistance by certain materials when cooled below a certain temperature, means critical temperature, is called a zero electrical resistance. Then critical magnetic field. What is the critical magnetic field? Is SC is equals to critical magnetic field is denoted by SC. SC is equals to H0. H0 is the critical field at 0 degrees Kelvin. H0 in bracket 1 minus T. T is the temperature below critical temperature divided by critical temperature square. The next one is the types of superconductors. So we will next video we will see in next video. Thank you, sir.